Are you happy? I hope so. What a special occasion. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself. I consider it a great honor to speak here today. I have been looking forward to this moment for a long time. Now, I'm a third-year student at Taiwan University of Economic and Business Administration, and I'm also a coach in AHA International. And today, I will guide you 4 sounds in the RB chart, okay? It is R, 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 and okay? Let's start with the first sound. R, 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 R. Heart, heart, heart. Grasp my heart, grasp my heart, grasp my heart. Okay, next. Calm, 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 calm. Calm down, cool it, calm down, cool it, calm down, cool it. Okay, next now. Money, money, money. No money, don't talk to me, okay? No money, don't talk to me, okay? No money, don't talk to me, okay? Okay, next. Sunshine, 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 sunshine. You're falling in love with my sunshine. You're falling in love with my sunshine. You're falling in love with my sunshine. Okay, next now. R, 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 R. Adorable, 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 adorable. That horse is so adorable. That horse is so adorable. That horse is so adorable. Okay, next. Fault, fault, fault. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. Okay, and the last noun is hot, hot, hot. Oh God, she hot. Oh God, she hot. Oh God, she hot. Okay, and next. Confident, confident, confident. Stay confident. You are fucking awesome. Stay confident. You are fucking awesome. Stay confident. You are fucking awesome. Okay, that's all from me for today. I hope you like it. And now, bye bye.